Is it gone, the white
Yes.
one? Oh, has it?
All his primaries were white.
Right, oh, there's one away. That's a carrion crow, is it, or is that a hoodie? Can you see it?
I can't see which one you're following.
Alright, okay. It's the one in the air there.
Oh, that was a hoodie, that one.
This is a hoodie.
Yeah.
Oh, is it on top of that rock? Is it?
It's on the ground.
Just put it on.
It still hasn't broken.
That's it. These are hooded crows, and they're flying up, not when they're sitting on a post, but they're flying up with things in their mouth to break them. Is it 3 hoodies and 1 carrion there, or are they all?
The one that I thought was a carrion is beginning to get grey. I think it's a juvenile.
Oh, right. Oh yes, no, he's going to be a hoodie, I think.
Yes.
Unless he's a bit of both. Nice to catch her sleeping. Another one that has just flown in. Oops, no, it's gone. Oops, sorry. The sea's here. Just panning around. There's another oyster catcher. He's having a bit of a preen. Just go back. I'm going to try and get closer to the eiders. I'll turn off the video. There's a red shank has come in line with the oyster catcher. There he is. These are cormorants flying by. Get shags here as well, but I think these are all cormorants. There were shags with them. Just to show you a bit of there's the waves. Now, zoom around just to show you a little bit. There's the shipping coming into Belfast or out of Belfast. This is a bit of the coastline that we're going to be walking on. Oops. Right round here. Can't turn my body anymore. It's just, I couldn't turn anymore. This is just right where we're going to be walking now. Just go to Ballymacormick.